So today's supreme mathematics is build and destroy. Build means to add on, destroy means to take away. Build means to bond, to come together, which is what we're doing right now. And we come together because we want to make sure that we remove any illusion that we're going to be dealing with anything other than unity. All right? So that's why we have to come together. In order to come together, so I can remove not knowing, you know, being a person being an unknown in the cipher and see truth.
That's in this.
Yeah, build, creed, and 1 to 40. All right, what makes rain helps know an earthquake.
No.
Earth is possibly covered underwater, the sun and the moon. Attractive powers over our planet while traveling at a turret speed of 1,037 1/3 miles per hour on its way around the sun. The sun draws this water up into the Earth's rotation, which is called gravitation, to a fine mist that the naked eye can hardly detect. As this mist ascends higher and higher, increases with other mist of water towards the atmosphere, until it becomes heavier than gravitation, then it spills back to our planet in the forms of drops of water and drops of ice, which depends on how heavy the mist was, and the layer of current, but there are some layers that are real cold and warm, and other layers that are very swift and changing. When this mist strikes a cold current, it becomes solid ice and small round drops in form. Our life must be formed that snow. But this mist is never drawn 6 miles above the Earth's surface. The reason that it rains back on our planet is because it cannot escape out of the Earth's atmosphere with its high speed of rotating around the sun makes this impossible. Earthquakes are caused by the sudden man experimenting in high explosives. All the abundance caused by the sun. Alright, 2 principal teachings of the gods and earth is the black man is God, black woman is earth. I'll reference the degree, which is what makes rain, hail, snow, and earthquakes. And in that degree, it spoke of the different currents that causes different manifestations of water in the atmosphere. All right. Those currents also means that we have to be current when we're speaking to people. What that means is you have to speak to the people where the people are at. There's no use to speak up here and the person's right here. Or to speak over here and the person's over there. So those different currents means the current that you have to come in order to build or to bond with a person. Sometimes you need to say something that will, a person walking, that will stop them in their tracks. All right? That's that hail. All right? That's that ice. You're freezing. Stop them right there. Sometimes you need to be playful with it. All right? That's that light, slow kind of talk. All right? Sometimes you need to be able to come, you know, and connect to a person that pain that they're dealing with. That's that rain. All right? Those kids that's connected. And then sometimes you need to say something that's just going to destroy and change a person's whole life right then and there. And that's taking the earth right from under them and flipping it. That's earthquake. All right? And so this is the main reason why we come together, so that we can bond and learn how to utilize these different